Thank you for your interest in Jameson HCR products. In this video, we will prepare you for a proper survey to ensure an efficient installation of our model AC unit. To have a successful installation of HCR products, the opening dimensions and preparation for the unit are key. Beginning with the outside of the cooler, check for any obstacles surrounding the door opening. Many common obstructions are fastened above or beside the door and can include fire alarms, drain lines, refrigerant sensors, door switches, and curbs. It is imperative to take photographs at least 15 feet away from the door opening. This will capture all obstructions that would hinder an installation. The model AC unit will require at least 46 inches of headspace above the door opening and at least 24 inches of space on either side of the opening. Any curbing would need to be at least 24 inches away from the door opening to eliminate any installation issues with the unit. These photographs show an acceptable distance, measuring approximately 29 inches away from the door. The model AC unit will measure 138 inches in height, 128 inches in width. This is a warm side mounted unit and will extend out from the wall 29 inches. This size unit will accommodate an 8-foot by 8-foot cooler opening. The electrical disconnect needs to be mounted approximately 36 to 48 inches on the right hand side of the unit. This will create proper space for the model AC unit along with the control panel to be installed. The model AC unit power can be 208, 240, or 480 volt AC 60 Hz 3-phase. The control cabinet is mounted on the exterior right side of the model AC unit. It houses the VFD, or variable frequency drive, which controls the fan speed. To ensure the VFD is set properly, the ambient space environment and curbside cooler will need to be at normal operating temperatures. This will ensure proper airflow mixture between the ambient space air and the air curtain's air stream. It is recommended to keep the VFD set anywhere between 43 Hz and 48 Hz. Thank you again for your interest in Jameson HCR products. If you have any questions, reach out to one of our project managers listed below. Jameson, more than just a better door.